She has the talent to elevate your style, but don't underestimate her mastery of business leadership. In Gadsden State's Salon and Spa Management program, students gain comprehensive training in cutting, coloring, and styling hair with precision and creativity. They stay ahead of the latest trends in skincare, facials, and spa treatments, equipping them with the skills vital for industry excellence. Their expertise in nail art sets them apart, making them trendsetters among their peers. Beyond technical skills, students participate in internships and co-op opportunities, gaining real-world experience and industry insight. If you are passionate about beauty and motivated to succeed, the Salon and Spa Management program is your ideal next step. Rigorous training in aesthetics, cosmetology, and nail technology will make you a trusted professional among clients, while your comprehensive knowledge will position you as a confident, business-savvy leader ready to take on the industry.